Well, hello, dearies. Welcome, welcome. It's Christy again from Inspired by a Smile, here with another vlog entry. Um, I thought I'd start something new and show you guys what I'm actually working on right now. As most of you know, I am a freehand crochet artist slash witch. I thought I would actually dress up for my video, of course, today. Um, anyways, I wanted to show you guys what I was working on right now. I thought it would be a good idea. So I'm working on two things at the moment, probably more, but these are most important. Um, this one here is going to be for a tutorial. It's just the start of a black cat hat, which I'm going to add faux fur to the ears to make it a little bit more special than the average cat hat that you see. And I'm doing it beanie style, not in the square that you keep seeing around. I don't know how I feel about that one. I mean, it looks kind of cattish, but I think this is going to be better, in my opinion. So, and then also, this is not going to be a tutorial, but I'm excited. I am starting my first witch hat, finally. I'm a witch, and I don't even have a witch hat. That's probably a problem, right? So I decided to finally cave and make myself one. It's just out of polyester yarn, and yeah, those projects are done, as you saw, in black. It's intimidating to some people, but I actually like crocheting with black yarn. I can even do it in the dark. Well, limited light. It's not that hard actually. It's people make it out to be. I thought I'd mention that too. There's people that actually crochet that are blind, so think of that. If you're using dark yarn and or even thicker yarn, it's actually good to feel for the stitches and not look. So that's where you're going wrong. If you actually feel for the next stitch, you'll know what you're doing a lot better. It's not as bad then. I just thought I'd also leave that little tip with you if you're using black yarn. So that's what I'm making right now. I have a tutorial on the go and my witch hat. Both hats. But the cat one will be kind of Halloweenish, so that's exciting too. Since it's black, I thought that would be a good addition for Halloween this year. So I hope everyone's doing well, and I'm really excited to be doing these vlog entries. I'll be back again soon. Bye.